In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Stripe Express account. By the end, you'll have an Express dashboard ready to use for fast compliant payouts through Stripe Connect. This is ideal if you are building a platform or marketplace and want a streamlined way for users to onboard and get paid. Start by heading to Stripe.com and creating a new account. Enter your email, your name, and a strong password. Then follow the prompts to confirm your email if asked. If you already have a Stripe account, you can simply sign in and continue. Keep in mind that the email you use here will be the admin contact for important notifications, so choose one you check regularly. Once you are in the main Stripe dashboard, look for the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings page, find the Connect option, typically listed under Product Settings. This is where all the tools for managing connected accounts live. If you don't immediately see it, ensure you are viewing the correct workspace and that Connect is available in your region. Inside Connect, select the option to set up or manage Express accounts. This tells Stripe you want to use the Express style onboarding and dashboard. Express offers a lighter, guided experience for your users and gives you visibility without handling sensitive data directly. Next, complete the onboarding. Choose your country, then provide the required personal or business information. This usually includes legal names, addresses, tax details, and identity information, along with bank account details for payouts. Enter everything exactly as it appears on official documents and bank records to avoid verification delays. For bank info, confirm the routing and account numbers carefully and use an account that can receive ACH or local transfers, depending on your country. After that, customize the branding for the Express dashboard. Upload your logo and set your color scheme so the experience matches your brand. Aim for high contrast colors for accessibility and preview how things look on both light and dark backgrounds. Consistent branding helps your users trust the onboarding flow and recognize your platform. Finally, verify and save. Review each section for accuracy, especially payout details. Make sure names match the bank account holder and that your country selection reflects where you operate. When everything looks correct, save your settings to activate the account. Stripe may show the status as verified, pending, or needing more information. If additional info is requested, address it promptly to keep payouts running smoothly. That's it. You've created a Stripe Express account and configured it for a clean, branded onboarding experience. Thanks for watching.